Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about cleaning up Windows upgrade log files on your Windows computer to free up some disk space. So upgrade log files are basically a collections of files that will track the installations of a Windows upgrade and can be used to troubleshoot potential update problems that may arise. Generally, they're really only necessary if you've already recently upgraded and you're still having problems. You need to revert back to a previous versions of a Windows. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type desk cleanup and then click open. So here at desk cleanup drive selection, so select the drive you want to clean up and then click this arrow, and then we need to select C drive and then click OK and pop up desk cleanup. And then next step, then you need to click this cleanup system files and then click, and this cleanup drive selections again. Then you need to select which drive you want to clean up and then click this arrow and select C drive and then click OK and give us a moment and pop up this cleanup. Alright, so on how to clean pre-update space with program files. So you can see now this files to delete and then select this Windows upgrade log files and then check this box. And here are the descriptions about this upgrade log files. Windows upgrade log files contain informations that can help identify and troubleshoot problems that occur during Windows installations, upgrade, or servicings. Deleting these files can make it difficult to troubleshoot installations issues. And then click this box and then click OK. And are you sure you want to permanently delete these files and then click delete files? And we will wait. Alright, so that's it guys. So this is how to clean up pre-update space with program files in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.